Hello to all the great teachers out there. Today I am excited to introduce a new technology tool, which is called Epic. Epic is a kids ebook service that offers thousands of books. So let me just show you what is Epic. So if I click here on the browse, you will see many books and you can scroll down and keep going down and you will see more and more books. Now I am going to click here on recommend. You can see all its different categories: recommend, collections, popular, read to me audio, educational videos, articles, new on Epic, and it goes on. Now, if you click on collections is books that collections that other teachers have created. So you can see here, for example, January, the five senses. I'm going to go down. June, community helpers, and, fairy tales. So you will see all these collections that teachers have created. Now, if you go to popular, these are popular books on Epic that you can see right here. The next one that I'm going to check is Read to Me Audio. And what Epic has books that students can read, but also books that they can listen to, books that are being read to them. So a way to find out if it's a Read to Me book, you will see this sign here on the bottom of the book that says Read to Me. The next category is educational videos. But you can set your account to show educational videos to your students or not, which I set my account to not show educational videos because I didn't, pretty much wanted them to play with the videos and to be watching videos all the time. That's why it's not showing here, but I promise that I will enable this and show a section about Epic educational videos later on. Now, if you go to articles, I don't know how many of you have heard about highlights. They have a lot of highlights in Epic that students can read. As you can see, some are read to me and others are not. Now, I am going to go back up here and new on Epic. These are new books that have arrived to Epic. And you can see some of this look like, for 5th, 6th grade, but it's fine. You can find a lot more. Now, there's categories like living things, science, and all these great things. A cool thing about Epic is that they have Spanish books. So I'm going to click on Spanish books so you could see. So if you teach in a dual immersion school or a bilingual school, this is a great tool for, to have students practice their English and Spanish. So I just speak Spanish, so you could see like right here, cuando crezca, mi buen perro, bien hecho, palabras mágicas. You can see more stuff. Now, I am going to go and show you here search on the top because you can also search for specific books. They are recommending here the popular search words, but you can type, for example, if I type cats, it's going to bring me some books, and you can see here all the cats books that it's showing me. It will show you the age range, read time, how long does it take to read this book, and also the AR level, if it's an AR book, or the Lexile measure. Now here next to the heart, you can click on it and you can add any book to your favorites or to a collection that you can create. And I will show this on a different video, how to create collections, how to add books to your favorites. Now, I am going to go back to search at the top, and you can also do advanced search. You can filter and look for books by the Lexile measure or AR level, reader's age, and if it's a fiction or nonfiction book. The last thing that I want to click is on my library. I want to show you, this is my library that I have created for my classroom. That's why there's, different libraries here. But just to show you, I have one on community helpers. You can assign the books to your students. So far, I haven't assigned this library to my students. This is a library that I got from a teacher that had already created this one. So, you can create your own or you can copy some from other teachers, which is great. Now, I started one about animals, but like as you can see, it only has one book. Then I created one for read alouds that these are books that I'm collecting that I would like to read to my students out loud, but showing them on the screen. Now, we had a section about rocks. We were learning about rocks in science. So I created and chose a few books that they can read, and I assigned those to my students. Now I have another library about more books, highlights, and then our school does AR, so I have a few about blue dot, green dot, yellow dot, and a happy face. So far these are my libraries, and you can share them with other teachers. You can also click, as you can see, favorites. I have some favorite books there, like Rocks, My Flag, Volcanoes, Plant Life Cycles. So far I have 4, but you can have as many as you want. So this is, just a general idea about Epic, and I hope that you will find it interesting and that you will use it. And I will be uploading more videos to show you how to create libraries and how to, search books and do all these great things. Probably, I'm not sure about search books because I already show you, but if anyone needs help on that, you can comment under my video and I will be glad to help you. Well, thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you in the next technology tool that we will investigate together.